at my age lah, I'm already 70 plus, and yang paling bersyukur sangat saya boleh solat seperti biasa. I mean solat duduk, tak perlu duduk atas kerusi, natural. Although I ada quite a serious back ache, and it be difficult for me to stand long or walking, but the most blessing thing is to be able to solat sempurna. I mean dengan sujud bawah. That was the best thing, the blessed that I feel after using this Alura pants and taking the products. Although I didn't take most of the thing, but whatever I've taken is actually effective and really very kebaikan lah untuk badan.